My name is Derrick Fox, and this is a 1977 Chevy C10. Vehicle's been in the family since '99. Started with my uncle and my cousin starting the build. My cousin passed away in the middle of the build, and my uncle finished it for him, and then it was passed down to my family. The color for the truck was Tangelo Orange from House of Customs, and that was the main focus of the whole truck. Future plans might be get rid of the chrome wheels. not a shiny fan. Other than that, the truck's pretty good. It's pretty much how anybody would want it. A bunch of my uncle's friends in Arizona helped him with the build. They helped him finish it and kept him motivated through it. A lot of the stuff was, adding one-off custom things that you will never see on another C10. So a bunch of his friends and painters and body guys in Arizona is what really helped him through. For new updates on the truck, it'll be on Instagram at FASS24. May not look like a 70s Chevy because it's got an 80s front end on it. This should be a one-piece grill. It was made into a two-piece. Got a custom billet piece here. It was painted. Front bumpers all molded into the truck. Got rid of the big old chrome bumpers. Everything's molded sides. Got rid of marker lights. Powered by just a small block Chevy. Got a nice transmission with overdrive in it. Has the FASS knuckle wheels, all Willwood disc brakes. So all Willwood disc brakes all the way around. Got rid of the Chevy two-piece window here. Went to a whole single piece. Has early 2000s Chevy SSR mirrors. So you get power mirrors. And then all leather upholstery on the inside. It's got GM early 2000 Venture vans. It was a handicap van. Has something comfortable to cruise in. Leather wrapped the dash. Has vintage air and fuel injection. And then coming back to the back, shave the taillights out. All steel, welded in. Put lights underneath the truck. Turn signal, stop lights. And then hid the fuel cell in the trunk, or in the bed, underneath the bed, all wood grain. Put the air ride tank back here, tubbed out the back so it'd fit 12-inch wide wheels. Tailgate handle, still a functioning tailgate, so you don't lose your truck. And then, picture of my cousin here being memorialized, the one that passed in the middle of the build. All right, so the whole build and progress of this truck was to make this truck a driver. You can drive it any day, anytime. And me and my son just drove this truck back from Arizona. It was like 1,500 or 1,600 miles. Zero issues, truck was getting 17, 18 miles a gallon, 16 in the mountains.